We are again. Came up after 4 weeks. Doors are open. As you can see, the light's pretty dim, so battery's pretty much dead. Back here, right down there where that Mountain Dew bottle, there's where my jumper cables were, but they're not there now. And the worst part, the thing that really troubled me is, I'll show you, the fact that this, because my car was open, this was just sitting there exposed. See this blanket? I had that covered up over there just to keep people from prying eyes, because there's an amp and a capacitor. Luckily I didn't have my subwoofer box in here, but yeah, kind of pissed me off, because what the fuck is somebody coming back here checking out, scoping all my shit for? There's no reason for somebody working on a clutch to come back here and pull all this apart. They didn't need the spare tire. They didn't need shit. I don't know what the hell they were doing checking out my stuff, but I don't like it. That seems pretty fucking shady to me. So, I'm going to cover this shit back up like it was. And I'm going to start this car, jump the battery, you know, let it run for a little bit. Oh yeah, I got to show you that cotter pin. Or lack of cotter pin. Let's see if we can see it from here. I don't know, let's see. Where the fuck was it? It's right there. Yeah, there it is. Wait, no, that's not it. Where the hell is it? Ah, shit. I think that, yeah, that's it right there. Right there at the bottom of the steering knuckle. There's no cotter pin in there. You know, cotter pin. Easy thing, you know? All I got to do is put the damn thing in there and crimp it down. What the fuck?